Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to remove Payoneer account from eBay so you can update your payout details easily. First, sign in to your eBay seller account and go to the Seller Hub or Account Settings. Next, open the Payments or Payouts section where your current payout method is listed. After that, click on Edit Payout Details to manage your bank information. Since eBay requires an active payout method, you may need to add a new bank account before removing the existing one. Carefully enter the new bank details and save the changes. Once the new payout method is verified and set as default, the Payoneer account will no longer be used for payouts. Finally, refresh the page and check your payment settings to confirm the update was completed successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.